Alright fellas, I have another wind-up tin toy to show you here. This is a tricycle riding duck. Very similar to the monkey that you've seen before. Actually, their tricycles are exactly the same, exact same mechanism. Again, the detail on these tin toys are just amazing. The clothing, you've seen how the monkey looks incredible, and the clothing right down to the cuffs, and just really something else. You know, the hat, the eyeballs, everything. Um, Although everybody calls this a duck, I personally think it looks a heck of a lot like Woody Woodpecker cartoon, but it's just my take on it. Now, this one originally had the propeller like the monkey here, okay, with the three propellers that came up with the speed of the moving monkey and spins around. This one had the same thing. It is missing. It broke a long time ago and is missing. So I decided to use a simple plastic propeller. Okay, drilled a tiny little hole. I managed to get it in there and working. Took a little bit of doing, but it works pretty decent. Now, the duck does not go as fast as the monkey, and reason being, I am not sure, but I think it's the tread on the tires. The monkey, his tires are in really good shape. He's got good tread. The duck, the front tire is quite worn. It's really slick. The back tire is actually the traction tires, which are decent, but I don't know. I still think it's the tires. But at any rate, I kind of like that he goes slow, because my final plan for this little project here with these toys to display them properly in a nice video is to have them both going around, possibly one in one direction, one in the other, possibly one chasing the other one, and so we're gonna work on some kind of a plan for that. And so one going slow and one going fast might just work out. But I'm going to wind him up now. You're going to see him go. And, comment below. Tell me what you think. But he's pretty cool looking. And, like the monkey, it's a repro of an old 1930s toy. This one was made in 1960s or so. And it's very simple little clockwork mechanism, but I think they're pretty darn impressive. So, alright guys, sit tight. We're going to do a quick little video of them going around. Propeller's working pretty good for a makeshift propeller, and I kind of like that he goes slow. I get to see him and appreciate him a little better. And with the monkey going fast on the outside, past this one, I think it's going to make for a good combination, as opposed to both of them going fast. The table here is not level. That's why he's slowing down in some spots, but he still has some juice left in him, as you can see. So, every time he comes to this side of the table, he seems to pick up a little speed. So the table's not level, obviously. There you go. That's my second wind-up little tin toy. And I'm going to keep monkeying around with this one and until we get both of them ready to go. Alright guys, thanks for watching.